Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, we do have a bit of challenge. What we have is that all 12 pairs are lighted up in the second week of January. In fact, the market didn't rest for this year Christmas, which means 2022. Market is still very active, unlike what I have experienced. This is really special. In my 17 years of trading, I've never seen that before. That shows that there is a lot of trading opportunity over here, and for investors out there, it is something for you to really be careful about, because when currencies start to fluctuate that much, even during the breaks, that means economy is really bad. All right, so topic for another day. Follow me on IG and I'll share more along the way as well. All right, so let's have a look over here on Australia dollar. When I say 12 pairs are lighted up, that means they are flag. I'm looking for trading opportunity. If you are interested to know what pairs I'm looking at, just scan this QR code in our Discord. You are able to see it under the Decipher channel. All right, anyway, on the daily chart, what we see over here is a uptrend movement. Market is having an uptrend. Yes, it meet with a resistance level. This is something for you to take note, especially for counter trend traders. Down to the 4-hour chart, we have seen a retest of the previous high, and this is typically an area where both buyers and sellers are looking to engage their trade. So what makes a difference is that if the market managed to break and close above this high, or rather even this high, it will be even better, 68.93, then you see a potential of more crazy uptrend movement, and that is how breakout traders are trading. Well, for counter trend traders, they'll wait for a bearish candle formation, confirmation at 68.55 closing price, then they'll hit in for aggressive shorting. At least you get a head start. If you know how to read the trends, you are able to spot the potential take profit level and the level you should be shifting your stops to protect your capital as well. All right, so down to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have, another retest of the previous resistance. What you can do as a conservative trader is to wait for a double top setup and head in for a short. Well, scan this QR code, you bring you to our students community over here within Discord, where you get to receive important tweets and Instagrams with learning stories that we have and updates as well. All right, feel free to donate to the server and channel. Let's see how it goes to boost, to give the channel a boost if you like it. If you scroll down further, this is where we are going to run our live session from here on. All right, so that's why it's really important for you to join us, and sometimes we do run a video analysis with you, news analysis. We are watching live together and having some like discussion and stuff like that. If you scroll down further, what you get to see is my watch list. All right, these are all the secret codes that I've set in so that it will be like a one-liner on my smartwatch device, and to decipher this code is all here. I even color codes, share you the color codes and how I take profits usually in some of the harmonic patterns and stuff like that. Furthermore, we share news, all right, important news, because in this noisy market, it's really hard for you to focus and filter out important news, and these are things that we are doing for you. All right, and if this is something that interests you, we are going to add in additional features as well. Under information, you'll see an XE rate real soon. I'll be sharing some of the major movement of currency pairs. Of course, not all, because it's a subscribed service to my corporate clients. But I'll share some of the main trends so you can benefit some from it, and prepare for your overseas trips and stuff like that. All right, so anyway, let's head back to our daily chart and share with you my analysis over here. So over here, what we have is a bearish bat pattern. What is really important and interesting about this setup is that it didn't hit the first target. It just bounced within these two zones. But just by looking at this bouncing and I'm not capturing the lowest point just over here to the previous high, which is now is 187 pips move. And this, well, I've just named this as the devil's touch or the devil's finger. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I am still looking for a shorting opportunity, even though I see a very strong candle over here. I'm waiting for a further confirmation to hit in for a short. For our chart, what is interesting is that this bearish bat pattern has really took profits on both ends. All right, you have hit the final target profit level. So if you have shorted from here, This give you 143 pips, not too bad in comparison of daily chart. It's quite a winner. And if we are waiting for a confirmation somewhere over here, give and take, we are looking at about 157 pips. So this is something I'm going to watch closely, and that's why this pair is being featured right now. And to the 1 hour chart, nothing much, and this is why I'm saying waiting for a retest, and that's when I can get in my aggressive trade. So you can see how I combine 3 different time frames and to piece out a trading strategies with a minimum risk, with a high returns. This is just an overview. The exact levels of my trading will be shared to my students. The purpose of it is not for them to follow blindly, but to look at the thought process, how I engage trades and stuff like that. And if they see that this is something that they like it, they did their own analysis, they love it, they want to manage a risk and returns and having a good risk management, then it's a good reference for them as well. And of course, if they have opposing view, that is when they can pause, reanalyze, and decide on their own if they are going to continue their trade as well. That's pretty much I have for you. If this is what you like, drop me a note, and we'll see if you're a good fit before I set you. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always play your trade